Your customer has given you the requirements. Update the fire control system in the F-16. You're asked to evaluate the proximity, types and density of I/O, along with I/O intelligence for fault detection and overall platform capabilities. You suspect COSA from North Atlantic Industries could meet your requirements, get you to market faster, and meet your changing form factor needs. COSA is a massively configurable open systems architecture, the most modular, agile, and rugged portfolio of its kind. Let's get to work on your trade study. First, you have a systems engineering decision. You could use a larger chassis with more centralized I/O, or distribute your I/O management closer to the signal sources, or a combination that optimizes space, weight, and power. Now, let's dig into the I/O. Your application is I/O intensive, so you review the library of COSA smart modules. They are function-specific to support almost any I/O requirement. With system-on-chip capabilities and 3 or 6 modules per I/O card or a single-board computer. Now, let's look at the I/O intelligence. With ARM FPGA processing, COSA smart modules add continuous health monitoring to your application. Background built-in test continuously performs non-invasive tests of all I/O module inputs and outputs to report faults in real time. When your requirements change, COSA is ready. Need more channels? Add a module, or 2, or 3. Need new I/O capabilities? Just choose. Need more processing resources? Add an SBC, or 2. Need higher density I/O and processing solutions? Maximize your densities, or distribute system capabilities. Need to maximize reuse? Create subsystems that can be reused across multiple programs. With COSA, you can choose from over 40 families of high-density smart modules with dedicated FPGAs on board and jumpstart software libraries, along with I/O boards that come in 2 forms, self-standing or as a single-board computer with ruggedized power supplies, and systems that host a single smart module up to 60 smart modules. There are over 40 smart module families with over 70 options, giving you the most configurable and highest density I/O solutions, measurement and simulation, and communications capabilities. With dedicated ARM and FPGA intelligence, 3U and 6U cards can host 3 or 6 high-density I/O modules on intelligent I/O carrier cards, or on single-board computers with multiple processor options, with a variety of power supply options. Systems can support a single function, up to 60 functions for distributed, networked, and high-density centralized systems. The ARM processor and FPGA support customer configurability, programmability, monitoring, and user application capabilities on each smart module. Software libraries offer a GUI soft panel, single API across all I/O functions, and source code. Engineering support is always available. With COSA, you can centralize and distribute I/O, meet virtually any I/O requirement, get higher densities to optimize swap, add intelligence to use fewer SBCs, and easily handle design changes and future needs with one open systems architecture. Your trade study and design proposal results in a win for the customer, your company, and you. COSA gives you the most modular, agile, and rugged product portfolio in the MIL aerospace industry, so you can outpace, outadapt, and outlast your competition. North Atlantic Industries. Accelerate your time to mission.